Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. The Indian judiciary takes pride that women's participation in the judiciary, especially in the subordinate judiciary, has increased substantially over the years. Stop. The increased diversity within the judiciary certainly does overall impact the quality of decision making because of the unique lived experience women and other traditionally excluded communities bring to the male default system. Stop. However, the increased number of women judges in the system may merely indicate formal equality because their effective participation remains a far cry. Stop. Justice Nagarthana mentions three important indicators of women holistic participation in the judiciary, namely their entry into the legal profession, their retention and growth, and their advancement to senior echelons of the profession. Stop. Prima facie, the numerical criteria may pass the first indicator. Stop. In the 2023 State of Judiciary report published by the Center for Research and Planning, Supreme Court of India, women now constitute 36% of the working strength of the district judiciary. Stop. In 14 out of the 16 states examined in the report, more than 50% of selected candidates for the civil judge were women. Stop. While women's increased entry into the judiciary paints a hopeful picture, the number goes substantially down when it comes to their appointment as judges in the high courts and the Supreme Court. Stop. As per the report, only 13% of women are judges in the high courts. Stop. This is much lower for the Supreme Court as only 9% of the women judges are there in the Supreme Court. Stop. It should not come as a surprise that as of today, out of 25 high courts, only one high court, Gujarat High Court, is headed by a woman chief justice. Stop. The presence of women judges in the Supreme Court Collegium remains an abysmal low. Stop. Dictation ends.